Welcome back, boys and girls. We are continuing with learning about some prefixes. We just reviewed a prefix. We reviewed dis and did some activities with that. And now we're going to learn a new prefix, miss. So remember, a prefix is a syllable you put at the beginning in front of a root word, and it changes the meaning. And all the words we're talking about today are verbs, okay? Miss, this prefix means wrong. So let's read together. Read this word with me. Behave, okay? We know what it means. You do what you're supposed to do, correct? If you behave at the dentist, I will treat you to ice cream. Now, read this word with me. Listen, misbehave. Read it with me. Misbehave. What does it mean now? It means you were not behaving. You were doing the wrong thing. Can you think of a sentence that uses the word misbehave? Well, how about if we use this one up here? If you misbehave at the dentist, I will not treat you to ice cream. Let's look at another word. Miss, again, still means wrong. And I associate that also with not. So this word is spell. Read it with me. Spell, what we do on our spelling test, right? You write the correct letters for a word. I try to spell my words correctly when I write. When we put miss in front, it says misspell. Say it with me. Misspell. Which of these words is misspelled, which means spelled wrong? Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, or F-R-E-I-N-D? It's this one, yes. Next, still means wrong. Read this word with me. Judged. Read it again. Judged. My sister judged my baking skills when I made cupcakes. What does that mean? It means she formed an opinion about it. And misjudged, what does it mean now? Misjudged. You had a wrong opinion, or you, in this case, I misjudged the distance I had to jump over the hole and I fell in. You judged it wrong. You estimated wrong. Still means miss, still means wrong. Understand. Read it with me. Understand. I think I finally understand this math problem. It means you get it, right? Misunderstand. Did you misunderstand anything in the science lesson? It means, did you get it wrong? Did you not understand it? This word, placed, say it with me, placed. She placed the new photograph on her shelf. It means put it there, right? Misplaced. Misplaced means it's in the wrong place. Have you ever misplaced something? Like a homework paper, maybe? The prefix miss still means wrong. Used. Read it with me. Used. I used the bike pump to fix the pressure in my tires. Misused. Which fork is being misused? Yes, it's this one. She's using it wrong, right? We don't comb our hair with a fork. So misused means it was used wrong. Let's take a look in Activity Book 4.3. So if you don't have it near you, pause the video, get your activity book and open up to 4.3 on page 34 and come on back. So we have several words here. Miss, it's the prefix meaning wrong. Read that with me. Miss, prefix meaning wrong. The first word is misbehave. The root word there is behave. Next is misjudged. Root word is judged. Next is misspell. Root word is spell. And last is misplace. Root word is place. I have some more words that have miss in front of them. This one was in the video that we just went through. Misunderstand. Misunderstand. This one was also in there. Misuse. Misuse. And then we have a new one, mislead. Let's see if you can find a word, or ask someone at home if you can come up with a word together that has miss as a prefix. Let's take a look at Activity Book 4.4. This is just like 4.2, except we're using words that have miss as the prefix. We have misbehave. We've been talking about these words. Misjudged, misspell, misplaced. Okay. Down in the box, we have misplaced, misunderstand, misjudged, and misused. You have to think about what the root word means, and then you're going to fill them into the sentences. Number 1, I have blank my keys because they are not where I put them every night. I have misplaced my keys. I have misunderstand my keys. I have misjudged my keys, or I have misused my keys because they are not where I put them every night. You need to figure out which word goes in there. Number 2, it is easy to blank Mr. Connor because he speaks in such a quiet voice. It is easy to misplaced. It is easy to misunderstand. It is easy to misjudged. It is easy to misused. You have to think about what those words mean to fill it in correctly. Number 3, Sam blank how large the couch was, so we had a hard time getting it through the door of his new apartment. Sam misplaced how large the couch was. Sam misunderstand how large the couch was. Sam misjudged how large the couch was. Sam misused how large the couch was. In number 4, you're using the word that is left in the box that you didn't use in 1, 2, or 3 to write your own sentence with that word in it. I can't wait to read your sentences, boys and girls.